Welcome to The Flautist. My name's Eileen Gilligan and I launched theflautist.com and the subscription series to share my knowledge through the lessons that I've had in the past and my teaching experience and playing experience to help others be the best they can be. We cover in the Flautist series, we cover foundation tools which cover whistle tones and pitch bends, so that's how we find the speaking point of the flute. We cover harmonics, that's how we explore, because the sound doesn't add up unless the harmonics are in tune, and the flute won't ring and resonate unless the harmonics are in tune. So we explore that in a really extensive fashion. We explore other things in the foundation tools like vocalization and vowel sounds and singing for expression. We explore in extensive detail every melodious study, the 24 small melodious studies by Marcel Moyse. We explore those. We explore his wonderful book, The Tone Development Through Interpretation, which is the ultimate in an operatic singing vocal and nuanced approach to expression, because I believe in deep emotion and tone on the flute, but with elegance. And I think the tone development through interpretation gives you elegance. We talk about the body behind the flute, so getting yourself breathing, getting yourself in the right posture to produce a vocal and a beautiful sound. We talk about the Taffanel scales, how to explore key colour, Reichardt, a different exploration of key colour. And the most important thing is we have a guide to every melodious study, every tone development through interpretation, and every piece that the Flautist releases weekly. So I play it, I record it, and I release a guide to everything I do, which tells you the way I think and why I do and sound the way I do, and try and help players be the best they can be through these guides by exploring, different ways of looking at things, different ways of approaching tones. So welcome to The Flautist. I hope you enjoy the subscription series.